Welcome to the second part of quantum leaps. Finally, an essential element in the quantum leap process is the practice of letting go. When you have a clear intention, you visualize and feel that reality and act in alignment. The next step is to let go of control over the how and the when. This trust is a sign that you are in tune with the universe and that you are certain that everything will manifest in its perfect timing. Letting go does not mean giving up on your desire, but rather trusting that the universe has a way of organizing events in a wiser and more perfect way than your mind could ever imagine. It is about understanding that although the path may not always be clear, you are being guided toward what you need to experience. Grinberg described this letting go as a surrender to universal intelligence, an acceptance that we are connected to a network larger than ourselves yourselves when you let go and allow you open yourself to receive without resistance. And the universe responds by bringing to you what is truly yours. This peace in the process of letting go is one of the strongest signs that you are in a quantum leap. You do not need to force anything because your reality is already manifesting aligned with the frequency that you have cultivated internally. If you got this far, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. If, like us, you are looking to expand your consciousness, we have a place for you. Welcome to sustain the quantum leap and stay aligned with the reality that we wish to manifest. We need to cultivate a high vibration continuously. It is not about being in a state of constant euphoria, but about living from a deep peace that allows us to flow with the universe without resistance. Inner peace is the foundation of a quantum life, and this peace is sustained by consciously taking care of our thoughts, emotions, and energy. Jacobo Grinberg described consciousness as an energetic field that, when elevated, transforms our perception and therefore our reality. This peace is not just a passing emotion, but a state of consciousness that allows us to see the world without the distortions of fear or insecurity. By living in peace, our thoughts are clearer, our decisions firmer, and our intentions more powerful. To maintain this high vibration, dedicate time each day to observe and purify your thoughts. When you find yourself thinking in a limiting or negative way, breathe and consciously choose thoughts that reflect the reality you wish to create. This conscious act of directing your thoughts and emotions allows you to vibrate in tune with peace, which strengthens the process of the quantum leap and brings you closer to the life of your dreams. The quantum leap can also be strengthened through shared energy by surrounding yourself with people who vibrate at a similar frequency. You realize that the path to manifestation becomes lighter and more natural. The energy of a group can enhance our vibrational field and make our intentions manifest more quickly and effectively. Grinberg studied how individual consciousnesses are not only connected, but when they enter into resonance, they amplify their energy exponentially. When you share your path with people who are in tune with you, their energy becomes a support and a mirror that helps you maintain your high vibration. It is not about dependency of others to achieve your goals, but to create a space where everyone nourishes each other and strengthens each other to sustain the energy of the quantum leap. Look for authentic connections, relationships based on understanding and mutual support. If you find it difficult to find people in your physical environment, remember that today there are virtual communities where you can share your experiences, learn from others, and grow together. The energy of these interactions, even if they are not in person, has the power to sustain and expand your vibration, reminding you that you are not alone on your transformation journey. The power of consistency is fundamental in the process of a quantum leap. It is not enough to practice visualization and meditation or gratitude sporadically. It is important to create a daily ritual that reminds you and keeps you in tune with the reality you desire. By establishing a routine, you are sending the universe a signal of commitment and dedication to your process. Your rituals do not have to be complicated or long. They can be as simple as 5 minutes of conscious breathing, an affirmation in the morning, or a moment of visualization before sleeping. The key is that these moments are intentional and focused on your desire. Each time you surrender to your practice, you reinforce your vibration and your connection with the quantum reality that you desire. These rituals are an anchor for your mind and your energy. By making them part of your daily life, you are reinforcing the message to the universe that you are ready to receive. The constancy of your practice generates momentum, an energy that begins to work in your favor even when you are not directly focused on your desires. This is the magic of the quantum routine. Over time, the effects accumulate and the quantum leap becomes a natural manifestation of your life. The quantum leap is a transformation process, and like every process, it takes time. Patience and trust in the process are essential to sustain your vibration without anxiety. Many times, in our accelerated culture, we are taught that everything must happen immediately. But the universe has its own rhythm. Every time you doubt or become impatient, you send a signal of lack of trust which can interfere with the natural flow of manifestation. Grinberg affirmed that patience and surrender are expressions of an expanded consciousness because they reflect that we understand that we are part of a larger process. Patience is not waiting without doing anything, but actively trusting that everything is aligning in the best way, even if we cannot see it at the moment. Every moment of patience is an act of faith, an affirmation that the universe is already responding to our intention. Every time you feel impatient, remember the power of the quantum leap and the impact that every thought and emotion has on your reality. By trusting, you allow the universe to align without resistance. Manifestation is not just about receiving what you desire, but learning to live from a place of peace and certainty, where you understand that everything arrives at the perfect time. Often during the manifestation process, we focus so much on the end goal that we forget to appreciate the journey. Every step you take, every change, no matter how small, is a sign that you are moving towards your desired reality. Celebrating each step is a way to keep your energy high and to recognize the effort and commitment you are putting into your transformation. As you manifest, signs or synchronicities may appear that tell you that you are on the right path. Maybe you meet people who inspire you, unexpected opportunities come along, or you simply feel your intuition growing stronger. These signs are cause for celebration, reminders that the quantum leap is already underway. Every time you celebrate these moments, you are affirming your commitment to the process and raising your vibration. Celebrating each step also strengthens your trust in the universe and your personal power. Appreciation allows you to enjoy the journey without the burden of anxiety and reminds you that life is a continuous process of creation. Each step that you acknowledge and appreciate brings you closer to manifesting the reality you desire at the end of it all. Quantum leap is an experience of connection with universal intelligence. Everything you experience and create is not just a product of your mind, but a co-creation with the infinite energy of the universe. Grinberg taught that this intelligence is not external, but part of ourselves. We are deeply intertwined with a field of consciousness that contains all the possibilities and answers we need. By taking a quantum leap, you are coming into contact with this universal intelligence, trusting that you are always supported and guided. This is the true meaning of manifestation. It is not just receiving, but remembering that you are part of something bigger and that everything you need to create your dream life already exists within you. By connecting with this wisdom, you free yourself from the limitations of the ego, and you open yourself to receive from a place of peace and surrender. The quantum leap is not a final destination, but a continuous journey of self-discovery and expansion. Through this process, you learn to live from love, gratitude, and the certainty that you are the creator of your. This is the power of quantum consciousness, a path to the life of your dreams manifested from your most authentic self. See you soon. Stay awake.